Hi everyone, here we are at Michael's. Let's take a look at what they have. So it seems like they moved the ribbon section, this whole section here, over to the front of the store. And the ribbon is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this one. This fine one here is burlap. And then this one here is a buffalo check in green. Then here are the glitter ones. Now here are the big rolls. So okay, so these bigger ones right here, $9.99, and those are 18 foot. I love this buffalo check, and look at the snowman. These are glitter, and look at this one. Almost looks like birchwood. $9.99. Now if you have a coupon, that would be great, a 40% off coupon. And then they have this kind here, almost looks like sweater. Here's a candy cane one. Then here's the green buffalo check. That's so pretty. And this one is really pretty too. So this is a deer. And then they have the thinner ones. So you have this size. Then you have the smaller size. Those are nice. Here's the dog one. Here's the llama. Aren't they cute? Then you have this one. So I'm going to go ahead and scan this for you. Enjoy the video, guys.